One thing you need to figure out probably right now is what you're planning to do with your garbage when HHTF comes. And I live in the city. We have garbage pickup here once a week. As HHTF should happen, we might as well forget about garbage pickup. The last thing this city is going to be doing is picking up garbage and SHTF. Some area, if you live out in the country, I think most times you usually allow to burn the garbage. But here locally, in the city where I live at, open burning is banned. So you just you need to figure out what you're going to do with your garbage. How you're going to dispose of your garbage. Cause you don't want a bunch of garbage laying around your home or your bug out location, because that would be really unsanitary and can cause illness and problems with you and your family or group.